Hi, this is Layla with Sherry Miller and Associates. This is my featured land listing, 0 Lawghlin Road in Temecula Hills. It's a beautiful parcel of land. It's over 21 acres, if you can imagine what you can do with that. And there's beautiful views of the Diamond Valley Lake in the distance that you can see from the property. Amazing views of mountains and the lake. It's nearby Blue Barn Lavender Farm and not too far from Temecula wine country as well. So it's a beautiful area. You could use it to build a beautiful home, a nice estate or ranch home. You have a farm. The possibilities are endless. For more information, contact me at highdesertlandlady@gmail.com or 949-287-1052. I look forward to chatting with you later.